Dental. I am 10 years old and I will be showing you around the office.
Hi Molly, welcome.
Hi. I love this waiting room. This is going to be fun. I used to be able to fit through this one, but now I have to crouch through it. This way. Oh look, it's my name. This is where they take your height, how heavy you are, and then blood pressure. And then if you come in here, this is where they do all the stuff for the babies. I'll give you a quick tour of the office. This is the babies' room. I would go in there, but I'm not allowed because only babies and their parents can. Here's a sneak peek of what one of the rooms look like. This one is named after Dr. Seuss's ABCs. One of my favorite parts of this doctor's visit is you get a token, and if you come over here, you put it in, and then there we go. You get a little box. I chose an octopus. I think it goes on the end of your pencil, and I got this purple octopus. Oh yeah, and don't forget, when you leave, make sure you check out their YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so every time